Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Jessel Comic, and today we are going to discuss about exit intent pop-ups. So what is exit intent pop-up, how it is useful, what are the tools available to create exit intent pop-ups, and various other details in this video. So first of all, you might have seen exit intent pop-ups whenever you go to various different sites, and then when you're trying to exit, then there will be a pop-up coming from the top or right or maybe left, and then it will try to tell you that before you leave you can get either some sort of discount, or you can even get some sort of PDF or video for free, and then maybe you end up giving your email ID, and that is what is the purpose of having an exit intent pop-up on the website. Over a period, exit intent pop-ups have worked really well, though many people make use of it in various different ways, wherein it's not very friendly, and people find it difficult to navigate on such sites. And then there are various different tools also available to create exit intent pop-ups, and you could see that they are very expensive, and they are maybe having the monthly or yearly plan which is available. It's that's why it's pretty difficult, why people don't make use of exit and pop-ups. But if you stick around till the end, I'll be able to show you that how can you get software for just $5 and create exit intents on your WordPress website, as well as any other page builder or HTML sites which you are having. So yeah, let's get started. We are going to discuss these few points. As I said, what is exit intent pop-up? Then we will discuss benefit of using exit intent pop-ups, some of the tools available, and then we will be discussing one specific tool, which is Lead Monster. I'll show you how to create exit intent pop-up in WordPress using Lead Monster, and then finally we'll use Lead Monster to create exit intent pop-up in other page builders as well. So what is exit intent pop-up? You could have seen, you might have gone to various websites, and then while you're trying to exit the website, you will see some sort of pop-up would be coming in. So let me just switch over to uh, incognito window and go to one of the websites. Let's say, yeah, uh, it's loading up, and as you can see, I'm just trying to exit from here, and then it'll start showing me exit intent pop-up. So this is what is exit intent pop-up. So you are trying to exit this page, and then it will show you some sort of a pop-up wherein you will be asked to sign up by getting some sort of a bribe. So yeah, this is what exit intent pop-up is. Now the second point which we wanted to discuss, why we should be using exit intent pop-ups. So you could see that there will be a market improvement in conversion, because people have seen that they are able to make the conversion 3x or 4x while they are using exit and pop-ups. It will also increase your email list growth, because once someone has come to your website and he or she is trying to exit, and then you are giving some sort of a gift to the person, and then all they have to do is to provide emails, their email IDs, and that time it does work well. And mostly you could see that there will be 4 to 7% of your basically site visitors will be able to join your list, which is like a good number. Like out of 100, 4 or 7 people who would not have given you your email ID, they will give you. And same with I mean, if you are just having some sort of an email capture on your right hand side of the website, and people would just ignore it and go off. But if something is coming right while they are trying to exit, they will tend to enter the email ID if they find something useful is offered in the exit intent. Okay. Now, how do we create such exit intent pop-ups? So there are some of the tools available in the market, as in mostly they are paid. One is Poptin, another one is Optin Monster, which is very famous. Hellobar.com is again one free tool wherein you can create create exit intent pop-ups, and then specifically Lead Monster, which I'll be discussing today. So Lead Monster was a tool which was released on JVZoo, and it was a product released and it did pretty well there. So this is the sales page of Lead Monster which I'm showing you, and you could see that there are various sales pitches given, but these are some of the points which are very true. I have used the software, so I know that whatever be the claims over here are true. They have a very simple and intuitive design which I will show you when I log in there. Works on any pages. WordPress, they have a plugin for HTML or any other building apps. Also there are scripts provided which you can just copy and paste. It does work within minutes. I mean, you can create something within minutes. And apart from that, some of the features which are really important are that their analytics is really good. You could see how many people have come to your site. They are retargeting pixels which I've not tested, but that option is of course there. And then there is a Facebook integration. So this is the tool which we will be working on today. So just let me go over to Lead Monster page now. So I'm inside the Lead Monster dashboard right now, and these are some of the options available. One is the dashboard, which will show all your campaigns. Then there is another menu to create your campaigns. Here you will be able to see your subscribers who have opted in. Then you will be able to see the statistics of various campaigns which you have run, how many opt-ins have happened, and how many impressions for that particular opt-in was created, and how many unique visitors were there. You could also do some sort of A/B split test, and then the integration part. You can integrate your opt-in pages with Aweber, GetResponse, and various other tools available. And this is the one WordPress plugin I was talking about. And then finally, there is a video tutorial. So let me just show you that how you can create something right from scratch uh, in Lead Monster. So first of all, you will come to create campaign. You click on here, and then you can see that there are various options available. You can create a landing page, then opt-in form, then video. You can embed video which can play on this opt-in or pop-up which will come. There is an integration with webinar. I mean, right away your leads could go to webinar and as well as your autoresponder. Yes, no pop-ups are uh, as well there. It's micro commitment and niche opt-in, and then small pop-ups, and finally you can create your own custom template as well, which is very good. So how you can start is first by just inputting the campaign name. So let me put the name as test one. I will make use of opt-in form, which is uh, this one. Yeah, so now we are on the page where our first campaign is being created. The campaign name was test one as we had given, and you can see that this is a beautiful pop-up which has already been created right from the scratch. I mean, you didn't have to do much. The elements are all there. This is the headline, and then there are some text, and then finally there is a place wherein user can input the email ID of theirs, and then basis that it will go to your autoresponder as well. You can as well go ahead and then keep changing stuff here. I mean, the edit functionality is all there. For example, I've just deleted this one of the text over here. So you can go ahead and then keep changing this stuff as you like. I would want to discuss some other options which are available. Another point is the thank you page setting. So once the user clicks on the pop-up and inputs the email ID, then where do you want the person to go? So this is the redirect URL you have to give. The message which will be showing while there is a transitioning happening when the user is entering the data and clicking on the submit button. And if the user is already registered, where you want to send that particular person is also available here. This is a very important setting which you have to do. And then background setting as well. I mean, as in whatever is available here you can change. So this is what is available right now. For example, you want to put another background image there. All that will happen is that it will change the background image here as well. Once you are done with this, you can just go ahead and then save it. uh, Once the campaign is saved, you can go ahead and then publish this campaign, and once you come back to your dashboard, it will start showing you your campaign. The campaign is already published. This is the link to view this opt-in page also, and then there is another option to view from here. For example, I just clicked on it, and it will show me the pop-up, how it will appear there. So I had just changed that background. It's not looking good, but anyhow, so this is how it is. And then you can just close it. Then there are various other options available. You can go ahead and edit it back. So it will take you to the edit screen. Here is the option to integrate it with your email client. For example, you can use Aweber, or you can use even get response. So here you have to put the HTML code. In later video, I will be showing you how to get the HTML code from get response and put it over here, or Aweber and put it over here. So that's very simple to do. I'll show you in another Optin of mine, that how I've done it. Then there is an option to even share it on Facebook. You can give a post title, description, and then put an image, and when you update, and you can share it on Facebook as well. You can clone the same basically same campaign with the same setting, and then you can go ahead and edit it. And then you can also use retargeting codes if you have a Facebook pixel, or you want to use Google Analytics code. You can just put it over here, and then you'll be able to track that as well. Then finally, if you want to generate the script, you can come over here, and then there are various other options available. So if you want to create some sort of um, an animation in the pop-up, so this is how it will look like. Or if you want to just create this kind of bouncing pop-up, so it will start bouncing on the screen as well. You can just copy this particular code and paste it on the HTML page, and then your pop-up will start showing. This is one way of doing it, and then there is another way, which is making use of the WordPress plugin, which I will be showing now. So this is what is the generate code button would be doing. It will just create this code, and you can copy it over here. As you can see that I have created a lot of different campaigns, and I could show you some of the things which I did not show you here. For example, exit pop-up, and then see the get response integration. This is what I've got from get response. I had created a form over there and then pasted it over here, and then it is just mapped that first name with the name, and email with the email, and automatically when someone is inputting the data here in the pop-up, it is also going to my autoresponder. That was one. Now let me just show you how you can make use of the WordPress plugin to create such pop-ups over there. So all you have to do is to go to integration setting. You will be able to download the plugin, which I have already downloaded over here. And then finally, you have to make use of this API key in your WordPress page. So let me move over to my WordPress page or other website. So Digital Comic is the name, and let me go to the admin panel of it. So here, all you got to do is that you have to go to uh, the plugins part of it, and go to add new, and then all you got to do is to say upload plugin. Got to choose this file, which is this one. I've already done it. You have to do is to say open, and then go to install it. Once that is installed, then you will start seeing one menu here, which is lead client, and then there will be an option for you to input that API key which you had seen over here. Once you enter the API key on the page, and then this will be activated. Uh, so how will you create a pop-up in your WordPress. So I've already created one which is showing over here. I'll just start showing you how to create another one. So let me just go over and call it again test 2. I've gave a name to this, and it is showing over here. Now whatever you had created in the front end of lead monster would start showing here. So I had created exit intent, and I also had created this test one which was created just now. I can select this, and then I can provide width and height of the pop-up, and then I can select on which page I want to show this pop-up to come in, and if any kind of animation I want to showcase as well, I would be able to do that. This is also important that once the pop-up is closed, how much time delay you would want to create so that the pop-up is not shown again right away. So I've given a delay of 100 seconds. This is by default. And then finally, how do you want to show your pop-up as? And mostly we are discussing today an exit intent. You can just call it as exit intent. Here we can say all the pages, front pages and whatever, and then we can go ahead and save it. So this is all you got to do. Let me just go back because I've already created one. So just this is what I had done earlier. So how it will show up on the page, right? So this is what is created, then how it will show up. So now let me just go to my front end of digital comic, and let me just try to exit and see. While I'm trying to exit, the same pop-up which I had created will start showing up. I can enter any email ID, and find when I do this get instant access, this is what the messages I was showing you. So and I had given this redirect URL where it can come in, and once the person has entered the data, then he or she will be coming to this redirect URL. You will be seeing that uh, my subs and the same email ID which I had just added would also get added to my subscriber list, which I had just entered right now. Uh, this will show over here, and then in statistics also you could see that whatever exit offer intent was there, this is the pop-up, and it will start showing up as many times, how many impression, how many unique visitors, how many opt-ins have happened and all that. So this is what will be in statistics part. As we were discussing, I have already talked about lead master. I've also talked about exit intent pop-ups in WordPress. Now finally I will show you how to make use of exit intent pop-up in other page builder. And for that, right now I'm using app swipes page, which is another page builder. And how I'm using it is, it's gonna be the same all across the board, uh, whether you're using ClickFunnels or any other page builder to create this will remain the same. So all I'm trying to show you is that how we can create rather how can we make use of the code which was there, right? So you can this was the code which was there in exit intent pop-up. uh, the code had to be just put before the body start, after the body start tag, and this is where I put this tag as the code as. And since I put it over here, it will also start showing up. So let me just go to this page and show you. So for example, FX funnel giveaway or $5, let me just go here and see. So I'm on this page wherein I have just copied over the code, and see, when I was just trying to exit, this pop-up has shown up. This is another way of basically making use of the exit intent pop-up code. So all in all, that's what I wanted to discuss today. I hope I have been able to give you an idea how to create an exit intent pop-up using Lead Monster. And then now finally, I want to tell you that this tool, although it was very expensive when it came to the market, so let me just go over to the page wherein the pricing was given. So for a single site, the price was $97, and then for multiple sites, it was $197. Uh, and Of course, multi-site license, another option was to pay $147. But today I'm going to tell you that you don't have to pay so much money. All you got to do is to pay only $5 to get this awesome software. This software is not only creating exit intent pop-ups, but there are various other things you can do with this software. In subsequent videos, I will be showing what all you can do with this. Um, but just let me tell you how you can get this for $5. All you have to do is you have to follow the link which I've given in the description below, and then you will be able to get it for $5. You will be able to land on this site which is called $5 Friday, and when you come here, you can see that this is available only for $5. And I have bought the software, and as you can see that this is working fine. Only difference you could see with the version which you can buy for $197, and this is that you will be able to not see the logo which is there available in Lead Monster. But apart from that, all the functionalities are working fine, and I'm really happy with the software. So yeah, go ahead and buy the software if you want to create your exit intents and then want to increase your conversion. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please write to me at shivam@digitalkarmic.com, and I will be able to answer your question, or you could just write your comments below, and if I'm able to answer your question, I will be really happy. Thank you so much.